In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock. Then tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on this plus at the bottom in the middle. Now set up an hour at the top. Following that, click on Repeat and select days of the week that you wish to set up. Now you need to click on OK to save them. Following that, select Sound and manage all of those options however you want to. You can tap on Vibration to apply one of those patterns, or disable haptics completely by tapping on None. You can also choose music on device and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. Or you can simply tap on one of those ringtones. Either way, when you finished, go back and tap on Label. Name your alarm however you want to if you want to and choose OK. Then tap on Ring Duration and decide how many minutes your ring will ring, if you don't respond. Then click on Snooze Duration and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. To save your changes, you need to hit OK. Now to save your alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, hit the same, now grey one. To edit or delete your alarm, click on it, and after making some changes, click on the same check mark, or to delete it, hit delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!